Namaskar. Are you feeling pessimistic lately due to the pandemic situation? Most likely, yes, isn't it? Even however hard we tried, we would definitely somewhere have that fear. What if I get the pandemic and what am I going to do? Something somewhere trickles. Yes, this fear definitely is very good. However, if we allow the fear to get deep into us, it will definitely affect us. There's a saying in Tamil, Adhigam Minjinal Amrudamum Visham, which means if it exceeds a limit, even Amrit can turn into a poison. So let fear not get deep into you. This little fear is definitely okay, and we would all have in some situation only if we have that fear of survival we can get out of the situation, and that's how I got out of tsunami and I was able to come. So don't fear too much and stop watching the news. It's spreading so fast only because more people are watching, and that is the prime motive of all the news channels. I'm sorry to say this, but by increasing thoughts about the spread of the pandemic, we tend to become pessimistic. And I would also request you to think: is there a pattern that you can find with your thoughts? What are you thinking? How are you thinking? Are you thinking, oh my god, I am not able to do this? I be able to do this? Think about or observe the pattern that is hitting you. It's very important to observe these patterns. It will come only if we start to focus very well. Number two, is it something related to your self worth? We come across a lot of self worth issues. We often think this is not my cup of tea and I am not going to do it. I will not be able to do it. Most often, this is only because of the circumstances that we were put into at our young age. We have to get into that memory. It is always there with us. We have to really focus what exactly happened. We may not like what we are thinking at that moment, but reflecting on those situations can help us get out of that problem. Try it. If we are able to focus, we can get to that first instance where whatever has happened in our life and we can clear it out even if it is many births ago. It's definitely within us. And that's how focus and memory can work with us. Well, have I tried? Not yet. I'm still trying. But one by one, I'm able to overcome. That I can definitely tell you. Third one is, has it become your identity? People keep telling, oh no, you're not that. You're not this. And that becomes our identity. Don't listen to that. When you say, it may mostly become that, oh, this is not me and that is not me, and we will stop to explore a lot of things that we actually have to. Start trying everything that is possible, even if it is very difficult. Of course, I had one thought: anything that is very difficult is easy for me, and anything that is very simple is very difficult for me. I'm trying to overcome this. I'm slowly getting over this. And one by one, I think whatever I was thinking that way, I will definitely come out of. Simple solution to overcome these pessimistic thoughts are, of course, exercise. If we exercise, our thoughts are regularized. We will not have the same thinking patterns. It will disrupt slowly, but it will definitely disrupt, and we will start to become more positive. And also, you can listen to the favorite music. For some, it may be a melody. For some, it may be a pop. For many, it could be a rock. So just listening to the music that which is your favorite is definitely going to help you come out of being pessimistic. Also, try something very new, something that you have never tried. Make fun of yourself. Of course, my daughter has been trying to put makeup upon me and trying to make me look a little better. Who knows? I might come up with that makeover in a few days. Look out for it. Finally, surround yourself with positive people. Of course, in these days we cannot, go and meet anybody and everybody that we want. But of course, we can make sure whom we want to speak to or whom we are in touch with every day. Make your choice. It will definitely make you overcome all these pessimistic thoughts. Try these out and let me know. And I hope this will help you. Thank you.